subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and today I'm going to show you few fun Google tricks that you can try. So the first trick is Google birthday surprise pinner. You should type Google birthday surprise pinner. So we have here. So you get a page like this and it's spinning. Now I'm clicking on this. So click to open. And let's click. There's a cricket here. A cricket is playing cricket. Okay, let's try. Oh, I'm out. Let's try again. So guys, let's go to the next trick. So let's move on to the next trick, which is Thanos. Type Thanos. I know Thanos is everybody's favorite. And enter. And there comes a page like this. Click on this hand symbol. Slow. Everything is disappearing. Whoa, that was cool. So let's move on to the third trick. So the third trick is Google Mirror. So this is Google Mirror. I'm feeling lucky and everything is like reversed. And that's like as if Google is standing in front of a mirror. So the next trick is Google underwater. So this is Google underwater. Now here you can see gravity, which we have already seen before, but I'm showing you again. So this is gravity. Click on gravity and everything is falling down. You can throw them, you can play with them, you can just throw them here, there, and just. So the next is T-Rex game. If you press upper arrow, it works. Upper arrow and it wins. It is a very simple game to play. Next one is Pac-Man, which is a very old game, but you can try once. This is a very old game. So you can play by click on the arrows. Next one is the snake game. This is also a very old game, but this too is very fun. It's very So the next trick is Wizard of Oz. It's a very fun trick. So type Wizard of Oz and it comes like this. So let's click on the red shoes here.
There is no place like home. There is no place like home.
Whoa, that's cool. Now to make it back to normal, click on this tornado. And it's back to normal. So that's a very fun trick. Let's go to the next trick. The next trick is friend phobia, okay? And many things appear here. Suppose.
Smelly cat, it's not your fault.
So that's funny. Let's try another one. Same like friends phobia, you can type friends rules here and many pictures appear here. So for friends rows, you have to just slide down a little. Click on this sofa.
Pivot!
And again.
Pivot!
Again.
Pivot!
And again.
Okay, I don't think it's going to pivot anymore.
Now let's go to Joe Tribbiani and let's click on the pizza icon.
Joey doesn't share food!
And they're gone if you click back on the sofa. When you go to Google sometimes shows some popular doodle games. So all you have to do is click on this icon and you have so many popular doodle games like these. Before we tried this, so those were the popular doodle games. Hope you try them at your home. And if you like this video, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.